everyone, I'm Gigi Mason. I'm a Rhode Island native and a 4-time Olympic gold medalist in the sport of bowling. Today, I'm here to talk to you about ways that you can connect with nature. I completely understand the pressures of being a teen, especially when I had to balance being a student, an athlete, and overall life. And what I found helpful was spending time by the pond near my home because for me, nature is like a reset button. So after a long day, I intentionally like to leave my phone behind and go outside and feed the ducks. What works for you? Is it watching the sunset or is it going for a run? Whatever you choose to do, being outside is a great way to relax and reset. I remember a time in college where we were waiting for a team to finish bowling. So I snuck outside to get some sunlight and re-energize, and then I was ready to go. What can you do in your day? What can you do to take a break from school or work so that you can de-stress and be ready to go as well? I know throughout our day-to-day lives, things can get very overwhelming with our unending to-do list. So by finding some time to go outside, connect with nature, and clear our minds, you'll be surprised how easily you can put things back into perspective. To learn more about the benefits of connecting with nature, visit rhodeahead.com/take5.